want to attain a smoky cauliflower, you can bake it or you can pan-sear it. If you decided to bake it, we will preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Then, we will need one large cauliflower head cut into bite-sized florets. We will toss it into a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. We will then add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until lightly and evenly coated in oil. We will arrange the cauliflower in a single layer and sprinkle lightly with salt. We will bake it until the cauliflower is tender and caramelized on the edges, 25 to 35 minutes, tossing halfway. If you decided not to bake it, you can toss the cauliflower florets to a bowl, add 1/4 cup of water, and microwave it for 5 minutes. Then sear it in a pan with olive oil and sprinkle salt to attain a golden brown cauliflower. Once the cauliflower is almost done, after that, we will warm the 1 tablespoon olive oil in a pot over medium heat until shimmering. We will add the 1 medium chopped onion and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We will cook it, stirring occasionally until the onion is softened and turning translucent for 5 to 7 minutes. We will then add 3 cloves of garlic minced and cook, stirring constantly until fragrant for about 30 seconds. Then we will add 4 cups of vegetable broth. We will reserve 4 prettiest roasted cauliflower florets for garnish. Then we will transfer the remaining cauliflower to the pot and increase the heat to medium-high. And bring the mixture to a simmer. Then reduce the heat as necessary to maintain a gentle simmer. We will cook it, stirring occasionally for 20 minutes to give the flavors time to melt. Once the soup is done, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Then we'll transfer it to a large bowl. We will add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And add additional salt according to your taste. This soup tastes amazing once it's properly salted. You can also add a little more lime juice if it needs more zing, and pepper as well. Then we'll blend it all until smooth. Or a regular blender will do effectively as well. Transfer it to a clean bowl. Smooth it out gently. Top the bowl of soup with 1 roasted cauliflower floret. For garnish, we'll sprinkle chopped chives, or if you want, green onion or parsley. This soup keeps well in the refrigerator, covered for about 4 days or for several months in the freezer. There you go, our luscious, creamy, yet creamless cauliflower soup. Let's try a taste test. Truly amazing. Thank you for watching.